eDrawings excels at allowing you to share your 3D concepts while protecting your intellectual property. eDrawings 2021 gives you more options to make communicating your ideas easier than ever. You can now view custom and configuration-specific properties right inside the eDrawings viewer. Commands like measure have been significantly improved as well. Finding the center-to-center distance of two circular or cylindrical objects has always been available, but now with eDrawings 2021, you can choose to view the minimum and maximum distances. You can also measure the normal distance between planar and cylindrical faces. Sharing your 3D designs without the requirement to install the free eDrawings viewer is easy. Just save as web HTML. Any modern web browser natively opens these files, allowing the recipient to pan, rotate, and zoom, as well as view configurations, exploded states, section views, and more. eDrawings web HTML format now supports measurement directly inside the web browser. Also new in 2021 is the ability to move and rotate bodies, making it easy to interrogate large projects without having to dig through an assembly tree. With these new enhancements, you can clearly communicate your concepts, giving the recipients a better understanding of your design, no installation necessary.